So in this question we're gonna reduce all these fractions, even fraction, to the simplest form. So what is it in the number a? 48 by 60. So to make it in a simplest form, what we are doing, we're dividing it both the numerator and denominator by 12. So both the numerator and denominator by 12, what I am getting it, I am getting 12 fours are 48 and 12 fives are 50. 5 4 by 5 is the simplest form. But how I came to know I should divide both numerator and denominator by 12? If I is the alternative, another way I can make it. Suppose another alternative process, 48 by 60. Now what happened if I divide both by 2? That's I know both are even numbers, so both can be divisible by 2. So 48 by 2 is nothing but 24. 60 by 2 is 30. So again both are even number, 24 and 30 both are even. So again dividing both by 2, what we are getting? We're getting 12 and here getting 15. Now see what, 12 is even, 15 is odd number. So I cannot divide both number. 12 is divisible by 2, 15 is not divisible by 2. But if I see 3 is 12 is divisible by 3, and again 12 is divisible, 15 is divisible by 3. So what I am getting, 3 4s are 12, so I am getting 4, 3 5s are 15. So this is the form, simplest form what, 4 by 5. Now why I divided by 12? Because here I divided by 2, again divided by 2, 2 into 2 means 4, again 3, 2 2s are 4, again 2. Now what, 2, again 2, now again 3. So 2 2s are 4, 2 equal 3 equal to 4 3s are 12. This is the 12. That's why I divided both numerator and denominator earlier by 12. If you know the table very by heart, know the table very well, and if you by heart the table, then you can divide it, you can do it directly here like that. Otherwise, see, first of all try with that number 2, even numbers, the smallest even number is 2. So try again, try 2 again, with try again, give a try with 2, and then if it is not divisible both the numerator and denominator by 2, then try with 3 or 5 or 7 like that. So 4 by 5 is the simplest form of 48 by 60. This is the simplest form. Coming to number B, what happen? So if we divide both by 10, numerator and denominator by 10, what we are getting? We are getting 15 here and 6 here, 16 here. Now what, this 6 is divisible by 2 but 15 is not, but both 15 and 6 are both divisible by 3. So we can divide both by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 2 by 5 is the simplest form. Another way, another alternative way is that 150 is there, now 60 is there. So if I dividing by 10, so I can cancel out, I can write 15 by 6 directly, because this 0 and this 0 will cancel out each other, because exactly means 10 by dividing both numerator and denominator by 10, or cancel out one the same kind of 0 means same number of zeros from numerator and denominator is the same. So 0 0 and 0 both cancel out. Now left with 15 by 6. Then uh, like earlier, dividing by 3, we're left with 5 and 2. We can, means earlier what happened, now here what happened, we see now 10, then 3. First of all we divided by 3, 10, then again 3. So 1 0 cancel out means division by 3. 1 1 0 cancel out means 1 0 both are cancelling out from both numerator and denominator, means dividing by 10. So here is 10, here is 3, so what is 30. So if earlier what we did, if we do it 150 by 60, if we did divide both by 30, we could get 32 is 60, 30 5 is 150. So this 2 by 5 is the simplest form of 150 by 60. So you can solve it in any process, no problem. Now coming to number C, what happened, 7 by 28, here 7, here 28. So in the table of 7 we get 28. So if we divide both numerator and denominator by 7, we're left with 1, and we're left with 7 4 is 28. So left with what, this 1 by 4 is the simplest form of 7 by 28. Like earlier we divide both numerator and denominator by 10. So here we divided both numerator and denominator by 7, means we can cancel out 7 28, means here if you cancel out 7 means 1 at 28, 7 4 is 28. That's the way dividing it, and for cancelling out a same thing. Now 1 by 4 is the simplest form of 27 by 28. Here 4 by 5 is similar form of 48 by 60, and 2 by 5 is the simplest form of 150 by 60. Hope we understand everything related to the simplest form, how to reduce any fraction to the simplest form. So we can reduce any kind of fraction to the simplest form.